Okay guys, so this is what they're doing. We are at Mufflers for Less in Gary, Indiana, and they are welding up the winter Civic right now, tacking it in so we could quiet the car down and not sound like I'm running straight header on the way over here. So yeah, they just cut the tap off the test pipe and they're going to extend it by 2.5 to 2 3/4 inches so that way it can bolt to the header, and that'll quiet the car down a whole lot more, and then we can hook up our O2 sensors. So yeah. Anyway, long story short, these guys come highly recommended from Jim and the boys at O'Reilly's, and I had to check it out. So these guys are going to work on it and they're tearing it up. On that note, these guys are Honda enthusiasts too. Check this guy's car out. He just dropped an H22 and he's putting it in right now. He did all the work on this car himself. H22 guys, in a car that weighs 2,000 pounds. Do the math, but the power to weight ratio is going to be a lot of fun. The H22s are a highly reliable engine. They're very torquey and they're a lot of fun. So to pull a Honda Civic, a 96 Civic EK, yeah, he's going to have a lot of fun with that. Now if he boosts it 8 to 10 pounds safely, he'll be really spinning them tires. But long story short, I came up here today to get this done. We still have to do an alignment. We still have to bolt up the O2 sensors and extend the wires, and then that should just be about it for the car. And then just kind of test out the steering, line that up a little bit on the inside, and then clean out the interior, and it should be okay. So keep watching. I'm gonna leave some video, some Instagram stickers with these guys so they can follow along. So I'm super stoked about this, guys. I just I don't know how to weld. It's terrible. I know how to wrench just fine, but I don't know how to weld. So long story short, these guys are hooking up the car, and I will post the next video for you guys to follow along as we finish up the winter Civic build for 2020. Keep watching. Smash that subscribe button, smash that like button.